It's Hannah from WTI. I've been trying to read the Star Wars canon in chronological order, and this was on my list. It's Lords of the Sith by Paul S. Kemp. Fair warning, it may bring out your dark side. This book was so fascinating. It shows you the beginning of the Empire in its early stages. You get a deep dive into Vader and his mindset. You get to see the relationship between Vader and Palpatine and the complicated relationship between a Sith Lord and his apprentice. You also get to meet some fascinating characters on Ryloth and get to see the beginning of the rebellion. I absolutely loved this book. I think it is a must read for anyone who is a Star Wars fan, and especially if you're a fan of Vader. So I highly recommend this book. I think you'll enjoy it, and that is my point of view.